Erin is warming up by doing 5 laps. This is an example of aerobic cellular respiration. The definition of aerobic cellular respiration is when muscle activity lasts longer than 30 to 40 seconds and uses oxygen to produce ATP. Erin is constantly inhaling and exhaling, which keeps her energy at a stable level by the constant production of ATP. As she finishes her run, it will also be an example of slow twitch fibers because running laps requires a lot of endurance and less speed. Now let's watch Erin as she finishes her laps.
Tunisia is doing a 4 round-off back handsprings. That's an example of anaerobic cellular respiration. The definition of anaerobic cellular respiration is when creatine runs out of the body and muscle activity continues and glucose is used to generate ATP in the absence of oxygen intake. This provides enough energy for 30 to 40 seconds of maximal muscle activity. This activity is an example of anaerobic cellular respiration because Tunisia is not using oxygen after the third flip and becomes extremely tired. Her body is now lacking of creatine, but she has to do one more due to her coach's orders. So, as a result, Tunisia is forced to continue her muscle activity and glucose is used to generate ATP to keep her body going for a maximal of 30 to 40 seconds. And she finishes her last flip. This is also an example of fast twitch fibers.
Erin is doing a toe touch and 2 herkies. This is an example of anaerobic cellular respiration because when Erin does her toe touch and 2 herkies, she is not using oxygen as a source of ATP, and this activity does not last for more than 40 seconds. This is also an example of intermediate twitch fibers because jumps don't require a lot of speed or endurance.